everyone! Today we are making a delicious and comforting stuffed spud potato with corned beef and mozzarella. Start by wrapping a potato in aluminum foil and baking it at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until it's tender. While it's baking, warm up some corned beef in a pan and set it aside. Once the potato is ready, place it in a bowl, cut it lengthwise, mash the flesh, and mix in Happy Valley shredded mozzarella cheese, butter, and the savory corned beef. Cover it with foil and let it sit for 5 minutes to create that gooey, cheesy perfection. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh spring onion and enjoy this cheesy, savory, and comforting treat, perfect for your weekend. Enjoy!